Hey everyone, you're watching a social media expert. In this video I'm gonna show you how to solve some problems on Instagram and how to download an image or video from Instagram. No, that'll come at the end of the video. First, the problems. So I believe a lot of us have encountered a problem with posting comments and liking the posts. When you get this error message saying that you couldn't like the post or send a comment, but it mainly happens because you're exceeding Instagram limits. Like there are 300 interactions per day, and if you exceed that, then you might get restricted. It also might happen because you're getting restricted for rule violations, but that's mainly not the cause. But there are pretty quick and easy ways to fix those problems, and I'm going to show you some of them here. Alright, let's open up Instagram. Oh. Okay. The Instagram. Okay, this post kind of made me almost made me laugh, because that's little from the cartoon Tom and Jerry. But anyways, if you try to comment on any post, you might get some error saying that, for example, I don't know, you're unable to like the post or something like that. But you can solve that by logging out of your account and then logging back in. To log out of your account, what you want to do is go to the bottom right corner and you'll see this human-like silhouette and tap on that. And then go to these three dots up there and go to the bottom of the account, the settings, not account, bottom of the menu, and as you can see there's this blue logout option listed there, second from bottom. Just tap that and tap log out. Oh, and this will also solve the problem when you're trying to follow people, but you're unable to do that. You log out and then log in, and you'll be able to follow people, like their posts, submit comments. It'll kind of fix it all up for you just by doing this. But there are other methods too. So, well, let's just log back in. And well, after this, you should be able to like posts. As you can see, I like this post, and this particular episode was really good. I recommend you guys. Then, well, let's try to follow this Karen person here. As you can see, the follow succeeded. And if I try to comment, let's try to comment on the post. Let's say I'll say best episode ever. Exclamation mark, and just for the fun of it, I'll drop an emoji there. As you can see, I have a lot of choices here. Oh yeah, this one works. As you can see, my comment's right there. Oh, by the way, guys, if you want, you can follow me on Instagram on this account. Phantom Howl XX, or by the username, which is just Phantom Howl. Oh yeah, you can find me by the name Phantom, or by username Phantom Howl XX. It's my gamer name. in case you were wondering. So yeah, now, well, as you can see, I'm following quite a lot of people, 59, and I remember when I first created this account, I got to 25 people, and then I got the error that I can't follow more people. I logged out and logged in, and I could follow more. But there's also one other thing you should know, guys. If you're kinda new to Instagram, your account is new, then Instagram is gonna limit your interaction with people. That kind of, I don't know, algorithm or policy or whatnot. I don't know, but if they see your account's new, then it's gonna limit you. If you try to follow a bunch of people in one day, they might even end up restricting your account. There's also the fact that if you follow a lot of people and post the same content again and again and again, this also applies to tags. So Instagram might flag you as a bot, which does not deserve any interaction at all. That might cause your accounts to lose activity, even if it's a large account, a popular account. So yeah, but those are also the reasons why you might get these errors. But logging out and logging in is one way to fix it. Method number 2. You might have an outdated application. So what you want to do is go to Play Store, and then go to the search bar here. Just tap search. That magnifying glass icon, and then type in wait, I have your Instagram. Type in Instagram, and open it up here. If this green button says update, then tap it and download the latest update. But as you can see, I have the beta version, so that might also be why it's a bit glitchy sometimes. And mine says open, so I'm up to date, so I can't update the app. But once you update the app and log in and log out, you should be able to do all these things again. Comment, like posts, and follow people. Method number 3. Now you can head over to your there, the settings. Find the app manager. And go to Instagram. Yet again, Instagram. Right, there's Instagram. And excuse me. And then clear cache. That could also fix the problem. Plus, do a force stop and possibly clear data. But I won't do it because I'm logged in already to 2 accounts, so I can switch. Well, actually, okay. For the purpose of the video, I'll just clear data, and okay. Then you just simply go back to your Instagram app and log back in, just like you would normally. Right. It now offers me to continue with my Facebook account, but I'll just tap this login button here and quickly log in. Alright, I've entered my password and now log in. That will load in, as you can see, and here I am, logged into my account. Oh yeah, and that video pops up again. Nice. And well, if I try to follow people, as you can see, I can do it. I can just follow these guys, which is pretty cool. Oops, I kind of opened up an account there. But yeah, alright. Well, that's as far as I know about fixing these problems. Right. Now, talk about downloading imagery and video from WhatsApp, from Instagram and WhatsApp too. By the way, you can do that on WhatsApp too. There's a special app for that too, because right now with a new update, WhatsApp also doesn't allow saving images, as far as I've heard from official sources. So let's talk about that. What you want to do is find this app I have here, right here, Save. When you open Save, you'll be presented with this screen where you can paste in a link and then click download. But for me, somehow it downloads automatically. I don't know if it's in settings or something, but it downloads automatically. And in the downloads tab, you can see what you have downloaded. Well, these are my downloads. As you can see, Talking Tom and Friends related downloads. And you can also download more than one picture at a time. As you can see, I've downloaded 2 pictures at once. Really nice. This app runs really smoothly and nicely. So allow me to show you how it works and how to find it on Google Play Store. So go to Google Play Store. Let's exit that and just leave that Insta somewhere. No, Insta. Okay, I think. There's the app. When you find it, just install it from the Play Store, and you're ready to use it. It also has pretty good reviews, I think. It worked quite well. Oh yeah, and there's my own review. Well, I won't show my name, but yeah. Ooh. No. Well, this is my review here, and then there's a few others up here. So yeah. What? No. Well, okay. Then go to Instagram and well, find any image you want. Any image. Or video, by the way. Any image or video. Oops. Well, okay, let's take one from here, I suppose. I like this one quite a lot. So what you want to do is tap these 3 dots here on top of the image and select copy link. The link is copied. Then close up Instagram and go to your Take application. Not there. It's in here. Right. And it automatically pastes and downloads the image, as you can see. Then in the download tab it shows up. The same happens with videos. And just to show you guys, I'll grab a video from Instagram. So Instagram. Wait. What? Oh wait. Right here. Alright, let's see if this one does have videos, but I'll grab one image just to show you guys how it works with an image again. Huh. This one's really cute, by the way. Alright. It might be my new wallpaper too. Right, what I need to save again. It yet again automatically downloads the image and pastes in the link. And appears in the download tab. Now, for the video. And by the way, before I go there, a bit about browsers. If you use a browser or Chrome browser on your mobile device, you can get these shortcuts for Instagram and other social media on your phone. You can just pin them to home screen. I have one created for my Instagram account and two for my two Twitter accounts. And these Twitter shortcuts work even better than the actual Twitter app. So yeah, I recommend using these instead of the actual app. Alright, now to download the video from Instagram. Okay, let's see. No, that's not a video, but just to prove it's a video. So as you just heard and saw, it's a video. So the process is the same. Tap the three dots up there, then copy a link to Instagram and open the save. It automatically pastes in the link and downloads the video. And in download tab you can see it's there. From here you can just tap into it and watch. You can just tap in it, just open it and watch. Or if you tap these three dots here, you can copy link, copy all, view Instagram, in Instagram. You can report it even, repost it, share it and delete. If you tap share, well, you get all these options. You can drop it on YouTube, Facebook, Google Drive, to Picasa, to, well, even GIMP, or through Wi-Fi somewhere. Then there's messaging, photos, Google Plus, Gmail, some other email, Instagram feed, chat on, Facebook Lite. Well, that's the post, and that's your story here, Facebook story, and of course Bluetooth and Dropbox. Well, that's what it gives to me. So yeah, let's back it up on Drive. And here you can select the folder if you want, if you have folders on your Drive, that is. Then go back, then and then save. Just that. You can do the same like that with with all these images. Tap share, save to Drive, and if you have your folder set up already, then just click save. Why do I keep opening the images? Right. Tap share, scroll down, tap save to Drive if you have set up a folder. If not, then choose the folder and then tap save. That's all there is to it. It's quite easy. But you can also go even easier way and screenshot the image, or just use the screen recorder to record the video. That's kind of the even easier way. So yeah guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Peace out.